Students, good afternoon. As we have completed chapter 4, that is our plants in our surroundings. In the last Zoom class, I have told you about the parts of the plant, that is root, shoot, main two parts, and in shoot there are other parts involved. Those are stems, leaves, flower, and fruit, right? So these four and roots, this five parts. Now, last class I have tried to show you a little bit glimpse in my garden, where you can see different parts of the plants and how it is in different shape and size and color. And now you have known the function also, as I have explained you the function of different parts as well. So today this small video I am just trying to make for you, so that you can see it practically, that how it is the plants in our surrounding and how the plant parts like root to shoot to in shoot, the other parts like the leaves, the stem, the flower, and the fruit. Okay, so I am just trying to show you today practically in this video. So please have a look at it and watch this video, and if you like it, please let me know that you have liked it. Okay, uh, so here we are going with our video. First part, I have told you about the plant, that is the root. So here you can see the roots of the plant, and in root also I have told you there are two types of roots. See, so one root is like this, one is a main root like this. Okay, so here you can see taproot, and this in this picture right now what you are seeing, this is a fibrous root, as this is bushy, you can see that. And root will go inside, where inside the soil, and it will suck up all the nutrients, water which is required for the food making of the plant, the nutrition, everything. Right now I'll come to the next main part, that is nothing but the shoot. See, here you can see the shoot, you can see the shoot, that is here the upper part. That means here you can see the soil, right? Here you can see the soil, and just above the soil, now this part, this entire part is called shoot. Okay, this entire part is called shoot, and this is the stem part. What is the function of the stem part? You know now. The stem is it hold the plant upright. That means see how it is standing like this, correct? So now you can see this, from this root you can see the flower, the leaves are coming. Here you can see the different color of the leaves. See, here you can see this yellow and green pattern, and you can see the leaf shape also. This is long, right? So now I'll show you the different kind of leaf. See here, this is a flat and thick kind of leaf. Okay, see here also. Now this leaf, you can see the big leaf, I can show you now. See here, this is a big leaf, right? This is a big leaf. And now the, you can see here only within this small span, I have shown you like three or four different types of leaves. See, one leaf, then here is the second kind of leaf, then here is the another one, this is a third kind of leaf, and here it is the fourth kind of leaf. See, this is a fourth kind of leaf. Okay, one more I can show you. See, this is a fifth style. See, so these are different shapes and sizes, right? And different color also. You can see the green is also changing, and one more color that I have shown you, this leaf. See this, so different shapes, different sizes, different pattern, even you can see there are different pattern. Now what you have read in your last classes, the leaf part of the leaves, even there are different things are present on a leaf, right? See, and what you call the different parts of the leaf. See, these are the side part of the leaf, right? We'll call it as leaf blade. And this is a midrib. See, and this is the stalk, and this is lamina. This entire part, this is called lamina. So you can see how beautiful this leaf are, green and beautiful. Okay, and in this leaf only the photosynthesis or making of food, that is for a plant, takes place. So that is why what we call our leaf as kitchen of the plant. Okay, and what is the another thing? That is flower. So I can show you the little tiny flowers over here. See, so beautiful red color flowers, right? These are the petals of the flower which will attract the insects on it. Okay, so that the pollination will take place. So these are the parts, and one more part is their fruit. So right now in my garden there is no fruit right now here. I can show you, suppose I can show in a there. Okay, you can see in a surrounding, this is a back part of my home, and you can see, I just trying to see you, see this is a mango. See, there you can see there is mango. Yes, so that is a fruit, girls. This is fruit. So these are the parts where which you can see on the shoot, right? So root and shoot. So shoot will bear all these things like leaf, fruit, then flower, everything. So these are the major parts, and these are the function of root and shoot. Okay, so I think after this video it will be more clear to you, and it is very practical. So for that I have uh, uh, prepared this video for you. Please watch it, and if you like it, please let me know. For today, this much. Okay, thank you.